Pemilana maybe uti chinor gonskam go chimcho payu nambe necho doji den kugi zetin ka lebo drupche disi chogunin gyagagi kesa dilir chibdön zete niran sum masin zam shusha zeche tering chize nishu tsani nyingi ngadu gyasa diline khalam gyu dharamsala gagal nam thang tu shapsur debar khonan zeyo pre Club therapy mi chikzu gi zezu nambe ube shungde da shungde maimbe sobakha ju kusam nambare dagana shingi sane saja mima che ne gomu khani sho shuga jebe phodan du pepsu nelen subject shu son Chinogos kyamgo chimsho tering Dharamsala gi namthang tu shapsur debar khwensam sargo bala thedar katse son
I'm very happy. I visit different places at the Bodh Gaya. So everything according my own wish, very successful. So now today I return my own place. So thank you.
So I'm Akshay Shrivastava and I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India. So I've been waiting for quite a while, like 30-40 minutes. In the middle I thought of just going out, but I persisted and waited enough, and it was worth it because the aura that I felt when His Holiness passed in front of me, that was something else, and it's like something that I've not experienced enough in my life. So it was very amazing and good experience, and it was a very positive aura that he carries, and I think it will have a very good effect on my life.
My name is Kami Doma Sherpa. I am from Mount Everest region, Charkhumbu. We are here in an exact date. We arrived here yesterday and we are very lucky to get blessed from the Dalai Lama on the way. We did a pilgrim tour and then for getting a blessing from the Dalai Lama.
My name is Nawang Karsam Sherpa from Everest, Himalaya, Charkhumbu. I feel so proud with the Buddha. I'm so very, very happy. I'm so proud. Just only for our target is only for to meet for the Dalai Lamas. So we are all coming from the Everest, Mount Everest.
Shize jinogos kyamgo chimcho longa ma de chiro nidoni sasum dawa chungi be na gyaga jangsha denjo nga de ta nu bangal nga de salu garache gi je char kya che dawa te chize chonga ni nesho doji den do chibjur je che rimshi nesho doji den changju chimbo chodere bu chen nesi ta keji gendu bel henso unje re Lagbar du chunre da teshu so chocho ge zetin da teshin Bihar nga de gi chikap lön chen sobe ne mina kha jete gi zetin che lebo drup che sugar du chir shapsur debor khona je pre kongshu gi nesu di nowe peglung din kha gi sarga bangawa chaju ta nyelen ba tolo ni ne Dharamsala gagal nam thane nyer shu gi